All right, guys. I told somebody in the comments in my last video that when I got the Yeezy Pods, I was going to show you guys first thing. So I just woke up, saw a notification that I got the Yeezy Pods at my mailbox, and here they are. First impressions on the packaging. This is how it came. It came in this right here, which was shocking. But hey, I guess everybody's all about the environment, so it came in this right here. So packaging, throw that out the window. It's nothing special. A little disappointed, to be honest with you. I thought it'd be something like a little bit better. But all right, so we opened it up. I already opened it up. I haven't seen the pods themselves, and it comes in this bag right here. It's like a cloth bag with drawstrings. It came tied, and it's thin. Doesn't feel like anything special. Just like, you know, a synthetic fabric. All right, y'all ready? I'm a little bit nervous. Like, yo, what is this gonna be? Yeezy Pods, here we come. So, all right, I'm trying to do this with one hand. This is a true unboxing. I have not seen these, so you're gonna get my real reaction. A lot of times I open up stuff, I've already seen it, and I reopen it, and I just show you like how it is. But this is the real deal. This is a real unboxing. Luckily, it's not too hard to get open, right? Okay. Ooh, here we go. Here we go. I feel them. They feel soft. First one. Man, that's ninja. Yo, got my ninja Shinobis. All right, there they are. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. So this lets you know right here, right off the bat, this is what I was looking for. Look at that, guys. Made in Italy. Woo! All right, all right. Now we're talking. Now I don't feel so bad about dropping $200. Now the fabric on them, man, they feel thick. They feel soft. They're stretchy. Let's see here. Oh, that's got a lot of spring. Stretchy. That's a lot of compression. Look at this. Let's go ahead and look at the texture. It's basically just like it's like a sock. Yeah, it's a sock. Got a little bit of rollover, kind of like the Vulture's shirt. It's got a cut, rolls over a little bit. Very thick, a lot of spring action, man. This is gonna be like a compression sock. Do we have any special details? You can see like a little bit change in the weaving pattern, maybe right here. What else we got going on? Man, this is a simple thing. It's hard to talk about this because it's like, what? What did I say? It's a sock with two soles. Got right here, this is pretty stiff. This is pretty stiff. It's about a 1/2 inch thick. It's got some spring to it. It's not like on the Yeezys. I forget what that material is called. It's been so long since I talked about Yeezys. It's not that really soft give. It's more of like a springy action. And you got these straight lines right here for traction. Made in Italy. You can see that it's been glued down. Oh, okay, we got like, it's not just fabric right here. It's got a little area that transitions. I wonder what's inside of there. So yeah, you got a little bit of stiffness in the middle of the foot, of the sole. So it's not just nothing. But yeah, you got two pads. And yeah, there we go. Yo, Yeezy Pods. Got a little bit of glue action going on. Not too bad. Could have done a little bit better on that, but hey, we're gonna check these out. We're gonna put them on feet and see what it looks like, you know. Maybe I'll do another video for the on the foot. I don't know. I just wanted to show you guys what these things look like. So there you go. They're about yay high. Yeah, you get it. They're about yay high, right there, and they're Yeezy Pods. So is this a cop? Is this a drop? I don't know. I have to wear these to let you guys know. So you may want to tune into the next video. Maybe, yeah, it's going to be a different video for like, you know, trying them on and seeing how they feel. I'm going to do it like that. I'm going to do a separate video for the try on. But this right here, you got a true unboxing. There's no literature. There's no flash in the pan. There's no nothing. It just comes in the mail. Comes in the mail. Yeezy Pods. There you have it, guys. there they are. Thanks for watching. Peace.